In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Payhip to Mailchimp. By the end of this guide, you'll have seamlessly integrated these two powerful tools, enhancing how you manage your mailing lists and streamline your digital sales process. First, let's start by generating your Mailchimp API key, a crucial component for this setup. Begin by logging in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to the Account Settings page. Now, move to the Extras tab, where you will see an option for API keys. Click on it to proceed to the API keys section. Here, you'll find all the keys that you've previously generated, but we'll be creating a new one specifically for this integration. Look for the option that says Create a Key and click on it. Mailchimp will now generate a new API key. Once you see it, carefully copy this key. It's your bridge to connect with Payhip, so save it temporarily because we'll need it in just a moment. Next on our list is connecting Mailchimp to Payhip. So, log into your Payhip account. Once you're inside your Payhip dashboard, locate the Marketing tab along the top menu. Click on there, and you'll see an option labeled Mailing Lists. Go ahead and select that. Within the Mailing Lists section, find and click on Set up Mailing Lists. This will bring up a selection of email services that Payhip supports, and we're looking for Mailchimp, so choose it from the list. Remember that API key we just generated and copied from Mailchimp? Now is the time to use it. Paste that key into the provided field within the Payhip setup. Double-check to ensure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, as these can sometimes cause issues. Once you're confident the key is entered correctly, proceed by clicking Connect to establish the integration. And just like that, your Mailchimp account is now successfully linked to Payhip. This connection allows you to effortlessly manage your subscriber lists and enhance your marketing efficiency directly from Payhip, streamlining the way you engage with your audience. Remember, this integration not only centralizes your email marketing efforts, but also creates more opportunities to automate and personalize your communications with your audience, ultimately driving engagement and sales. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your digital business tools. Stay tuned for more, and happy selling!